In this video, we'll go over how to use the courtyard layer as a component boundary. Being able to define a component's courtyard is especially needed when working with density level C boards, your high density boards. You want to be sure to be using components with the least land protrusion to maximize your board real estate. Altium Designer has specific layers for such information. The courtyard layer. On this layer, you can define the maximum component area, taking into account the angle of rotation. If there is no information on the courtyard layer in the footprint, the selection area gets its information from the component's size, which may create an error that doesn't actually exist. When creating the courtyard, the selection area, size, and dimensions of the component will automatically correspond to the drawn courtyard, and any design rules will be checked against this outline.